breakfast ka. Inabawasan ka lang. Kaya breakfast ka.
Okay.
What? What the fuck?
Alright, I'm coming. Wait. Ay, dyan na. May lakad. Oh, where's the car?
Damn! Come on. I forget I don't have a car. Ay, gising tayong tulog. Ay, ayaw din mag-breakfast doon sa restaurant. So, sige, tara. Gisingin natin. Wake up, man. We have breakfast. What time now? I'll take shower and come.
Okay.
I will take shower. You take also, no? Okay, see you. Alright ka.
A few moments later.
Alright! Ayun guys, alam nyo ba, kaya napabidyo ko na maaga kanina. Yung mumungat-mungat ako, yung parang pipikit-pikit pa kanina yung pagkagising. Mag-shower ako noon. Kaya napabidyo ko na maaga, magbe-breakfast kami sa sa restaurant dito sa Sheraton Maldives. Sa Sheraton Full Moon Maldives Resort and Spa. Isa sa mga sikat na hotel and resort dito sa Maldives. Sheraton Maldives Full Moon Resort and Spa. Punta tayo, mag-breakfast tayo dun sa this restaurant. Kanina, ginising ko rin yung isang katrabaho ko dito, yung chef. Kaya, samahan nyo ko. Alright, tara! Ayan, ready na kami. Siyempre, don't forget to wear a mask when you're going out. Yeah. This is the
don't forget to wear the mask.
wear the mask, alright? This is the most important right now. Alright. Ngayon naglalakad na kayo, pumunta kami doon. Sige. Samahan nyo kami, ha. Alright.
One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. No, it's not fair. It's not fair, no. You said you were staying through the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
Yeah.
When you arrived here, you were very young then. Huh?
Oh. When I arrived, I'm very young.
Really small, like it.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
You know, when I arrived in the resort, I'm very young. You know, my age is,
How old are you?
I was only 17 and a half.
Oh my god!
Running 18. Because, you know, my birthday is February 1989. And I came here on August 24, 2007. I was 17 and a half during that time. How many months more? February, 6 months more. Then I will reach that age limit, 18 years old. I came during that time. I was tourist. Then, you know that? Huh? I think 13 years already in here.
So,
This resort.
really?
Yeah,
Almost,
Huh?
almost 14.
13 years. Come on, man. Like, go so fast. But anyway, still going. Yeah, man. Run away. Run away with my love. Ito yung matandang puno dito sa resort. Wait. Nasa yung puno ng balete. Ito yung gano'ng kalaki yan, oh. Come on. Ay, sa Pilipinas yan, nakatakutan na yan. Hindi lang kapra nakatira dyan. Pati si Imo, nandyan.
Palapit tayo ng palapit ah. Ito tayo. Kaya lakad-lakad, kunti-kunting kwentuhan lang. Para pasilip ng view.
Lovely. How are you, man? Good morning. Yung ginupitan mo kagabi, ano? Oh, see? Nice haircut, ah?
Thank you.
Alright. Ngayon, guys, papaluto tayo ng itlog ng omelette. Mas maganda na sa breakfast sa umaga. Chef, good morning. Mushroom?
Yeah,
Let's mix up mushroom, tomato, and
onion.
yeah, onion. Alright.
Ham.
Yep, just this. That's it. Okay. Pad Thai? Singaporean fries?